So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things, Week 7, Assignment 7. So the first question is, what does LPWAN stand for? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says LPWAN stands for Low Power Wide Area Network, is a wireless wide area network technology. So the answer of our first question is C, Lower Power Wide Area Network. And now let's go to our question number 2. LoRa technology operates in which of the following frequency bands? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says LoRa operates in the license-free sub-gigahertz radio frequency bands of 169 MHz, 433 MHz, 868 MHz Europe, and 915 MHz North America. So the answer of our second question is A, license-free sub-gigahertz bands. And now let's go to our question number 3. What is the maximum wireless throughput achieved by Sigfox? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says Sigfox, the wireless throughput achieved is of up to 100 bits per second. So the answer of our third question is D, 100 bps. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which IEEE stand forms the basis of the physical and MAC layers of Zigbee? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says Zigbee is a communication protocol with its physical and MAC layer based on the IEEE 802.15.4. So the answer of our fourth question is C. And now let's go to our question number 5. Which of the following is not a Zigbee supported network topology? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. The explanation says Zigbee support three topologies: start, tree, and mesh. So the answer of our fifth question is D, ring. And now let's go to our question number 6. What is XBee in the context of Zigbee communication? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says XBee is the product that uses the Zigbee communication protocol for radio communication. So the answer of our sixth question is B, a product that uses the Zigbee protocol. And now let's go to our question number 7. Which sensor in an autonomous vehicle generates data in the range of 20 to 40 MBs? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says IIoT processing camera 20 to 40 MBs. So the answer of our seventh question is C, camera. And now let's go to our question number 8. What type of computing process data closer to sensors before sending it to the cloud? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is A, edge computing. And now let's go to our question number 9. In an end-to-end IIoT processing pipeline, where are rule initially configured? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says rule-based engine extract causal and temporal patterns using predefined rules. So the answer of our ninth question is A, at the sensor nodes. And now let's go to our question number 10. What is the main objective of AR drone based precision agriculture? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says AR drones based precision agriculture, precise fertilizer spray to the weeds. So the answer of our 10th question is B, precise fertilizer spray to weeds. And now let's go to our question number 11. Swamp enable a smart management layer between which two systems? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says Swamp enables a smart management layer between the water distribution network and farm-based irrigation system. So the answer of our 11th question is A, water distribution network and farm-based irrigation system. And now let's go to our question number 12. What do process variable represent in an industrial control system? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says polymorphism, heterogeneous sensors, pressure, vibration, sound, different matrix, precision formats. So the answer of our 12th question is C, value of process parameters measured using sensors. And now let's go to our question number 13. What is the fundamental element of industrial control systems for automatic control? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says control loops, fundamental element of industrial control systems for automatic control of industrial process variables. So the answer of our 13th question is A, control loop. And now let's go to our question number 14. Which component of a SCADA system interfaces directly with sensors to read and convert data? So these are the options. And the answer of our 14th question is D. And now let's go to our question number 15. What is the primary advantage of PLCs over traditional hardwire systems? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says programmable logic controllers and industrial control system based on programming logic capable of monitoring the industrial processes, taking control actions based on some predefined computer program. So the answer of our 15th question is B. They can be easily reprogrammed, making maintenance and upgrades more economical. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.